math learners. In this video, we will discuss about special products of binomials. It is a continuation of the first three videos that I made about multiplying polynomials. Under special products of binomials, we will discuss square of binomials. Special products of binomials. There are a couple of special instances where there are easier ways to find the product of two binomials than multiplying each term in the first binomial with all terms in the second binomial. Special product of binomials simply mean special cases in multiplying binomials. Okay, dito, sa discussion natin dito, we will use pattern in finding the product of binomials. Okay, the first special product that we will discuss is all about square of a binomial. A square of a binomial is a binomial that is raised to its second power. So we have a plus 2 squared, or quantity a plus 2 squared, okay, it is equal to a plus b times a plus b. Then quantity x minus 4 squared, it is equal to quantity x minus 4 times quantity x minus 4. Quantity minus 11 squared, it is equal to quantity minus 11 then times quantity y minus 11. Then quantity m plus 6 squared, it is equal to quantity m plus 6 times quantity m plus 6. Okay, this is the square of a binomial. Okay, a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, bakit naging ganito ang pattern niya? Okay, let's check this using FOIL method. Okay, let's see kung magiging the same ba yung answer. So, a plus b squared, or quantity a plus b squared, is equal to quantity a plus b times quantity a plus b. Okay, we can also find its product by using FOIL method. Okay, multiply the first terms. The first terms are a squared, a and a. A times a is equal to a squared. Okay, next, multiply the outer terms, which are a and b. A times b, okay, it is equal to ab. Then next, multiply the inner terms, which are positive b and positive a. B times a, ab then. Then, multiply the last terms, which are b and b. B times b, b squared. Then, combine the like terms, which are a, b, and ab. So, maging a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, therefore, we can use the rule, quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared in finding the square of any binomial. So this rule can be used to find any square of binomials. So, magagamit natin ang pattern na ito. Okay, let's try. Okay, finding products in the form of a plus b squared, or quantity a plus b squared. Okay, multiply. Okay, we have a quantity x plus 4 squared. Okay, we can use the pattern to find its product. Use the rule for quantity ab squared, which is this one. Quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, identify a and b. Okay, a will be x and b will be 4. So, again, a will be the first term and b will be the second term. So, a is x, then b is 4. So, lahat ng a, papalitan natin ng x, at lahat ng b, papalitan natin ng 4. So, magiging x squared siya, plus 2x times 4, then plus 4 squared. Okay, bakit naging 4 squared siya? Kasi b is equal to 4. So, that's why naging 4 squared siya. Then, evaluate or simplify. So, magiging x squared. So, 2 times x times 4, 2 times 4, 8 times x, magiging 8x, then 4 squared is equal to 16. Okay, therefore, the answer is x squared plus 8x plus 16. The next, we have 3x plus 2y squared. Okay, use the rule for quantity a plus b squared. So, quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, dito, okay, identify a and b. A will be the first term, which is 3x, and b will be the second term, which is, okay, the 2y. So, lahat ng a, papalitan natin ng 3x, at lahat ng b, papalitan natin ng 2y. So, naging quantity 3x squared plus 2 times 3x times 2y times quantity 2y squared. So, it will be 9x squared plus 12xy plus 4y squared. Okay, bakit naging 12xy siya? Okay, 2 times 3 times 2. 2 times 3, 6 times 2, 12. Then, x times y, xy. That's why naging 12xy. Then, 2y squared. Okay, find the square of 2. Okay, it is 4. Then, find the square of y. It is y squared. That's why naging 4y squared. Okay, the next, multiply. Okay, find the product of quantity 4 plus s squared squared. Okay, the same pa rin yung gagawin natin. Use the rule for quantity a plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Then the next step is identify a and b. A will be 4, then b will be s squared. Okay, a is the first term, b is the second term. A is equal to 4, then b is equal to s squared, or positive s squared. Then next, papalitan natin ng 4 lahat ng a. Okay? Lahat ng a, pinalitan natin ng 4, and papalitan natin ng s squared lahat ng b. So, magiging 4 squared plus 2 times 4 times s squared plus quantity s squared squared. So, 4 squared is equal to 16. Then, 2 times 4, 8 times s squared, magiging positive 8s squared. Then, s squared squared. So, magiging s raised to the exponent 4. So, the final answer will be 16 plus s squared plus s raised to the exponent 4. Okay, kapag ganito yung itsura niya, for example, s squared squared, okay, hindi mo i-raise ang exponent to the second power, ha? You will just multiply the 2 exponent. Okay, 2 times 2, 4. Okay, ganyan pag-evaluate ng exponent. Okay, the final answer will be 16 plus s squared plus s raised to the exponent 4. Okay, now, let's proceed to finding products in the form of quantity a minus b squared. Okay, kanina, we find the product in the form of a plus b squared. But ngayon, a minus b na siya. The same pa rin ba yung process? Gagamit pa rin ba tayo ng rule or pattern sa paghanap ng product niya? Okay. In finding the products in the form of quantity a minus b squared, we will still use the rule. Quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, we have an example here. Okay, quantity x minus 2 squared. Okay, paano natin mahanap yung product niya? Okay, gagamit pa rin tayo ng rule na quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. But, ang gagawin natin first is to rewrite the binomial. No? Itong x minus 2, gagawin nating x plus negative 2. Again, we can rewrite x minus 2 to x plus negative 2. The next step, use the rule for quantity a plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The next, identify a and b. A is the first term, then b is the second term. So, a will be x and b will be negative 2. The next step is substitute x to all a and substitute negative 2 to all b. So, magiging x squared plus 2 times x times negative 2 plus negative 2 squared. The next, simplify. Okay, it will be, okay, copy x squared, 2 times x times negative 2, it will be negative 4x. The next, negative 2 squared, magiging positive 4. So, the answer will be x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, again, in finding the products in the form of a minus b squared, we'll still use the rule. Quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So now we have another example. Quantity 2y minus 5 squared. Okay, the same pa rin yung gagawin natin. First step is rewrite the binomial. We can rewrite 2y minus 5 as 2y plus negative 5. Again, this is true for all cases. Okay, pwede nating i-rewrite ang 2y minus 5 as 2y plus negative 5. So, magiging quantity 2y plus negative 5 squared siya. The next, use the rule for quantity a plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The next step, identify a and b. Okay, a is the first term, then b is the second term. Okay, so a will be 2y because 2y is the first term, then b will be negative 5 because negative 5 is the second term. So, ang sunod natin gagawin is, okay, to substitute 2y sa lahat ng a at substitute negative 5 sa lahat ng b. So, magiging 2y squared plus 2 times 2y times negative 5 plus, okay, quantity negative 5 squared. So, itong 2y squared, magiging 4y squared, 2 times 2, 4 times negative 5, it will be negative 20y. Then, negative 5 squared, magiging positive 25. So, that will be the answer.